Is it time to buy or sell supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we are diving deep into supermicrocomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 6th of March, 2025, our system has identified supermicrocomputer as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 3.94. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 3.21%. This equates to an average return of 1.61% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 24.4% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 2.95% and 104.14%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month forecast points to a projected change of negative 57.72%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 100% and negative 37.5% over the coming year. In monetary terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $23.90. Our latest daily update for supermicrocomputer features the headline, Supermicrocomputer stock price up 3.21% on Friday. The supermicrocomputer stock price increased by 3.21% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 7th of March, 2025. The price rose from $37.05 to $38.24. During that trading session, the stock fluctuated by 8.84%, with a low of $35.36 and a high of $38.49. The stock has declined in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall drop of 31.8% during this period. Volume decreased by 12 million shares on the last day, with a total of 59 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.25 billion. It is important to note that a decline in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $122.90, while the lowest was $17.25. Currently, the stock price stands at 68.89%, or $84.66, below the 52-week high of $122.90, which also represents the all-time high for this stock. Supermicrocomputer, or SMCI, is currently navigating a critical juncture after successfully filing its quarterly and annual financial reports by the Nasdaq's deadline. This timely filing alleviates concerns regarding the potential for delisting, which has been a looming threat over the company. Such compliance is expected to provide a temporary boost in investor confidence, positively influencing SMCI's stock price in the short term. Despite this positive development, SMCI faces headwinds from mixed signals within the artificial intelligence sector, receiving conflicting messages from key players like Broadcom and Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. This uncertainty may induce volatility in the stock as investors assess the broader market sentiment towards AI technologies. Moreover, Supermicro's revenue for the fiscal year 2024 witnessed a staggering 110% year-over-year growth, largely driven by AI demands and strong partnerships with NVIDIA. However, declining gross margins may raise concerns about profitability. The possibility of margin recovery between 15% to 18% could stabilize the outlook going forward. In the long term, while SMCI shows potential for growth driven by the AI sector, ongoing regulatory scrutiny and export concerns could overshadow immediate gains. Investors should weigh these factors carefully as they consider their positions in SMCI, as the combination of robust revenue growth and lingering uncertainties makes this stock a focal point in today's market environment. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SMCI a hold grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, Loop Capital Markets also rated SMCI with a buy grade and a hold action. On Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, Wedbush reported a neutral grade for SMCI with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 6th of November, 2024, Needham gave SMCI a mixed grade accompanied by a hold action. On the same day, Citigroup reported a reduced grade for SMCI, again with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Supermicro Computer stock a general buy rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be neutral and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro Computer. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, and thus far it has risen 6.02%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price and may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, and these may impact near-term developments. The Supermicro Computer stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which contributes to a more negative outlook for the stock. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $39.12 and $38.88. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 20 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 14 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro Computer. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $36.07 and $33.44. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this point could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, Supermicro Computer has support just below today's level at $36.07. If this level is breached, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $33.44 and $31.49. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a widely varying prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.13 between its high and low, representing an 8.84% change. During the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 12.74%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Supermicro Computer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio could indicate a muted expectation for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, signaling a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 59 cents. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicro Computer. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicro Computer is at $39.68. If you do not already own any shares, you may wish to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Supermicro Computer encounters its first support level at $36.07. If this support level holds, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicrocomputer from multiple analyst sources is buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 28th of February, 2025, Blair Robert L. conducted an insider purchase of 13,600 shares of common stock. On the same day, Blair Robert L. executed an insider sale of 13,600 shares of stock option, which is the right to buy. Additionally, on the 28th of February, 2025, Blair Robert L. sold another 13,600 shares of common stock. On that same day, he also sold 5,860 shares of common stock. On the 27th of February, 2025, David E. Weigand acquired 11,964 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of 34.528. In total, insiders have purchased 5,687,057 shares and sold 2,900,162 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there has been no stop loss established. Is Supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? The stock of Supermicrocomputer currently shows several negative indicators, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Supermicrocomputer will experience weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 10th of March, we expect Supermicrocomputer to open lower by 88 cents, starting at $37.36. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that it is important to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.